And hello and welcome to the channel. Today I wanted to talk about AMC. I know it's everyone's favorite stock and I think it deserves, well, let's talk about it, right? Let's talk about it. So AMC earnings are coming up, I think on the 8th. And the question is, what's going to happen with the stock? Because the earnings are going to be huge, right? They're going to be very, very important. If they're good, the stock might go up. But if they're bad, there might be a huge, huge crash. A huge crash. And my opinion is that there is a huge risk that the earnings could be bad. Here's what's been happening with the stock, right? Recently, they released, I mean, we can clearly see that the AMC PR department is trying to like keep up with the times. You know that photo of Steve Buscemi with the music band T-shirt. So AMC is trying to, cater to the young hip crowd, which is like the reason they're still in business. And who could blame them, right? Who could blame them? And the recent piece of news, the reason why AMC stock has been going up from its little dip is that they said they've had the best October in ticket sales since the pandemic. Well, the pandemic is like what, a year or 2 years old, so it's not that difficult to have the best October if you've only had like 2 Octobers. I mean, it's a bit suspect because they didn't name exact figures, but that piece of news alone was enough to lift the stock up, and the stock went on its little like way up on this, because on this little roller coaster, and it was on its leg up because of the news. But here's the thing. No matter how people, stack up AMC and say how great it is, I mean, in the end, I think the financials are going to matter. Call me a realist, call me someone who is a bit practical, but I think at some point, it will matter that this company is literally going bankrupt, and there's nothing that's going to stop it from going bankrupt. That's the bottom line, I think. And the reason it's been propped up is because we've had this crazy stock market boom, which was jump started by the fact that the fees, the low trading fees, they used to cost about like $5 to $6 to trade a stock. And I think back in 2019, starting with Robinhood, those trading fees went away and it became free to buy and sell stock. And after that, all things went insane, and we have something called meme stock, because before we had trading fees, before we had Robinhood, we didn't have any meme stock because everybody had to pay $5 to $6 per trade, and there was no meme stock because nobody wanted to pay those things. Again, I could be wrong, but I'm just saying that there's only, I think a famous economist said, there was a guy, like a famous economist, Benjamin Graham or something like that, who Warren Buffett really likes, and he wrote a book, and he said things that cannot go up forever do not go up forever. At some point things have to come back to reality, and I'm not sure. I mean, it might be all right, but I'm just saying when the earnings come for AMC on the 8th, there could be a chance things could go either way. That's just my opinion. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.